A simple circuit analysis. We have a Norton equivalent connected to diode. This diode is characterized by PSpice linear characteristic as shown here. Our task is to find all three powers, a power balance. So we will apply a PSpice linear approximation based method. For each segment, we have two segments, we will find Thevenin equivalent. For this first segment, it is just the resistances. This segment crosses the origin. This resistance is 700 ohm, and the second segment is 0.7 ideal voltage source. We may start from the first segment. We may assume that our Q point is located on this segment. If so, we replace our diode by 700 ohm resistance, and we will calculate current divider, current that flows through this resistance. This current is greater than the assumed, which means that our assumption is not satisfied. We have to disregard this solution, and we have to continue with another segment, which has to be the one. For this segment, we replace diode by a voltage source, 0.7 voltage source, and immediately we may find all three powers: current, source power, resistor power, and diode power. Obviously, power balance is satisfied. We may verify this solution by means of PSpice Schematics. This is a circuit diagram of our circuit. A diode is replaced by a voltage-controlled current source, a G table. This is a table, and please observe that values must be monotonic increasing, that this value has to be slightly greater than this value. If we set DC sweep, if DC sweep is defined from 0.1 milli to 5 with increment of 1 micro, this is a sweep of current source. We may start a simulation, and this is a simulation result. 4 plots, 4 traces as a function of current source, diode current, and as we can see, breaking point, diode breaking point is at source current 1.7 milliamp. Below this point, diode is modeled by a resistor, a 700 ohm resistor, and above this point, diode is modeled by an ideal voltage source. Below, above, we have traces of these three powers. A breaking point is always the same. This is power of current source, power of a resistor, and power of diode.